Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you can see here what you are looking forward, unsupported resolution. So guys, what you have to do to fix this problem. In this video, I'm going to teach the every tutorial to fix up this problem. So before starting the video, please hit the subscribe button and let's enter to the video. So guys, if you are facing this problem, you can see here, just let me cancel, and you can see here so unsupported resolution. So what you have to do is you have to go back to your phone menu. After going back to your phone menu, what you have to do is you have to just go to your Google Play Store. You have to go to Google Play Store, and then guys, you can see here video to mp3 converter. You have to type video compact. This is the application, so you have to download the exact application from the Google Play Store. And then after downloading this, you have to open the application. So now I'll show you how to compress. After opening the application, what you have to do, I will show you. So now, sorry, before opening the video compact with compact application, your interface will be like this. So now you have to click on trim and compress. So just click on trim and compress, and then you have to click advertise. So you have to close the advertise. Now let us go to record master and just take this. So now we will take this video just for a let me take a small one. So guys, let me just take this, and then let's check it out how to compress, how to do this. So now you can see here, this is the video. You can see here. Hello guys. So now what you have to do is you have to click on the resolution here. You can see here, so just click on the resolution, and you have to keep on 240p. So just click on 240p, and then wait, and after clicking the 240p, you can see here, you have to click here. So now you can see here, this will be the option. So now you have to click on save to gallery. So after clicking the save to gallery, you can see here it will compress. So let's just pause the video here. So guys, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So it's 43, so let's wait. So guys, it's done. Now let's go to the application, edit application here. So now let's you can see here, this is the one. So let's try and check it out. Let's take this. Let's try to take this. Sorry, let's just go here, and you can see here, this is the one with converted to. Let's just try out this. You can see here, we can take anyone. I have done two, that future one. So guys, this is how you can compressed videos, how to fix unsupported resolutions on your editing apps. Thanks for watching guys. Please hit the subscribe button.